Okay, thank you for your coming. I will introduce my system for the bank. This is a cloud recovery system. I spent 3 months to developing, so I think this is very important for me. So first, let me show the why we need this system, because we need to ensure the continuity of the banking business and ensure that the important bank data is not lost. Okay, let me show the system. This is the virtual world, and I use the Linux deployed in this in SunTower 7.9. Okay, let me start the virtual server. This is the shell. Okay, this is Hadoop 102, and this is the Hadoop 103, 104, and this is simulate the servers um, cloud in the cloud system, and I can show that. Uh, this is the Zookeeper. It can help me to achieve the high availability in this system. And let me start the HDFS. And we can see the name node, date node is started, and uh, this is the this is the process in the Zookeeper. Okay, and then we need to start the yarn, and we can say the resource manager, the node manager is started, and we can see the all status for all server. Okay, we can see the server has the node manager, Zookeeper, resource manager, date node, name node, and this is the process for the um, Zookeeper. Okay, and then I will show the web port for this server. We can use the web port to see the function and how to run in this system. This is the HDFS on Hadoop 102. This is the 103 and 104. We can see the 102 is the active. Okay, let me show the API. I write uh, I, I I write it and I write it by Java, and we can see. So this is the MapReduce, and I need to open the API of the HDFS. This is the HDFS. Okay, let me show why we need to use the HDFS, because when you save big data, the HDFS can help you to divide the big data into many parts in the blocks, and when you save the date, the HDFS can create the replications, and make sure your date is no lost. And then we can see the default number of replication is 3, and you if you want to change, you can set number in this in this code. Okay, and then because the now active is uh, now active server is 102, so we need to connect the 102 directly, and we can okay, let me explain the active and standby. The active is say this server is working, and standby is like it is when the active server is a failure, the standby will become the active. It can keep the service for the bank, uh, and this achieve the high availability too. Okay, let me show. And this is the bank. This is the failure in Hadoop system. And okay, let me. Okay, but we can see I can't operate directly in this system, so we need to use API, and this API we can delay the fail. We can say the back inf. We can see this. Okay. Okay, let me show the result. We can say uh, we can say this the bank info is delayed. Sorry. Um, okay. And then I need to upload a file. I'm sorry. This is the information of the user in the bank. I simulated, and it conclude. I just take an easy example. It conclude the name, phone number, date, and money, and we can see some people has many services in this bank, uh, such as AA. People can take the money, can save the money and take the money, and this is the information I create. Okay, let me upload this. Let me upload this information. Okay, sorry. Okay, because my system can identify identify the um, identify the string in the first line. Okay, let me upload the upload this. Mm-hmm. Oh, sorry, display server. And this API is write by myself. Mm, is include Java and JavaScript. Um, okay. Oh, sorry. Because the active server is written, so we need to open the servers, and then we will just can see which server is active. So I need to ensure the active server. Okay, this is the okay, that's right. Okay, we can see that we can see that the bank information is in the Hadoop system, and we can see the replication is 3, mm, and it divide into the 103 and 104, but this is the standby, so we need to if we want to read the information, we need to make that is active. Okay, let me go ahead and I will show the MapReduce phase. Open resource MapReduce. This is the MapReduce software, and API. Sorry, the API of the MapReduce, and I already plug it in the in the I already plug it in this in my Linux server. Okay, and this is the MapReduce of API, and okay, let me start it. We need to show the reference for this file, and then we can start it. Okay, and we need to show input file and output file, and we can input 1 and output 1. Okay. Okay, I have some error. Maybe okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we can see this process in the for the yarn. We can see the Hadoop 103. This port, and we can see the process because this is the resource manager, so we can see the programs for the. Huh? I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let me show the programs for MapReduce. We can see it now is 0. Okay, let me show the programs. This is the verb poll for the yarn, and it concludes the MapReduce. MapReduce and data node. Okay, the test is over, and we can see the result. Okay, output 1, and this is the result. We can see that this is the information I is charged because we just need we just need important information, the name, the phone number, and the balance in this bank. We can see someone just 0, and okay, this is the okay. Let me show the and this is the ensure that's important bank data is no lost. Okay, let me show the high availability. The first we need to kill the 102, and let me show this we need to kill that the name node, because this is the boss in this system. And if you run this process, yeah, that is convinced you are the boss in this system. Okay, let me kill this process. Okay, we can see the name node already killed, and 102 is already can open, and then we show the another server. We can see the 104 already become the active, and it also has the bank information and output 1 2. This is the result of the output. Okay. And this achieve the objectives, ensure the continue of the bank business, and ensure that important bank is no lost. And because the system is write by myself and I use the Hadoop frame, so I think it's important for me. Thank you for your watching. And